Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a WEIMA WL-8 wood grinder. 25 horsepower, 234 60 volt. The top bin is 39 by 39 inches. It is 43 inches tall, and when the ram is pushed in. We're going to jump right into this machine. We do have the covers off. You basically do have the top cover and your end cover. We just wanted you to be able to see how the ram and the machine functions. Again, normally there is a cover covering this whole area. Does have a built-in auger. As you can hear, it's an exceptionally smooth and quiet running machine. So we're going to go through what we did to this machine. When it came in, the first thing that we do is, on any machine, is we check the electrical to see if it's worthy of being powered up. It was. We powered it up and it ran. However, that is only about 20% of the battle with the machine. You then need to assess the condition of the parts that make up a machine. Basically what happened to us is we pulled the top dust chute off. When we pulled that off, we realized that the insert bearing on the inside had gotten contaminated. The seal had broken, so your left insert bearing here had dirt in it. At that time, we decided to replace both the right and left hand insert bearings. That's one of the reasons why it runs so quiet. However, as you know, to replace those insert bearings, you have to basically drop off your gear reducer, loosen up the motor, and pull that head out. You have to pull the door off, your side plates off, the screen out. So at this point in time, the only thing we're left with is an auger, a hydraulic pack, and the ram. We also decided, let me turn this back on real fast. We also decided at this time to replace the ram guide set, which is basically these runners. There's 7 pieces, left, right, top, front, lower, and 2 side pieces. To replace those pieces, obviously you have to pull this ram out. So we removed the hydraulic unit, moved the piston, pulled the ram out of the back. At this point, the machine is pretty well disassembled. We cleaned out the hydraulic unit since it was out. We flushed it, opened it up, clean it from top to bottom, put new fluid in it. While the motor was out, we were able to spin the motor by hand. You can't always do that if you don't take a machine apart. And we noticed that the bearings just didn't feel right. Took it to Apex, which is pretty much one of the largest motor rebuilders in Chicagoland area. The winding tested fine, but the bearings were kind of shot, so we had new bearings installed. They went through the whole motor, passed with flying colors. While the head was out, we had the head polished. We decided to pull the auger to check the bearings in the auger. Bearings in the auger run fine. There's nothing wrong with the auger. Clean the auger up. Again, we repolished that head. That's why that head looks really nice and clean. Also, we put all new 30mm knife inserts in that head. Those are 4-sided. And let's see, we'll get up here and take a look real fast. Might be hard to tell, but it's all brand new knives, so that head is retooled. On the head, we also put new hardware on all of those knives. To finish off the machine, you can imagine we had the machine pretty much completely disassembled. We sandblasted it, primed it, 3 to 4 coats on the orange. Orange is a very opaque color, so it took quite a few coats to get through. Black, 2-color. Industrial DTM paint. And we topped it off. If you look through the machine, you're just going to see it's all new hardware. This machine was actually really a joy to take apart. WEIMA uses really high quality hardware, and all but 4 bolts pretty much just came off. I mean, the machine just came apart. It was pretty nice. All the hardware that we use to replace is just about the same quality, class 8 and 10 bolts. They're zinc yellow chromate, which are about twice the price of stainless, but guarantee that in the future you'll be able to easily service it and that none of the hardware will break. Really nice, quiet running machine. Ready for another duty cycle. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.